Installing TojoCAD Survey Engineering version 3 and configure with CAD. TojoCAD V3 folder content only 2 files. Copy the TojoCAD V3 folder and paste at your C drive. Open new existing CAD. Type menu load command and press enter key. Click on Browse button and navigate to C drive TojoCAD V3 folder. Select the tojocad.cuix file and click on Open button. Then click on Load button and close. Now TojoCAD menu is added in your CAD. Type Upload command and press enter key. Click on Contents button, then click on Add button and navigate to C drive TojoCAD V3 folder. Select the TojoCAD Survey Engineering v3.vlx file and click on Open. Close all the open dialog box window. Now TojoCAD is configured with your CAD. For applying license, go to License Manager Tools. Based on your system ID, license code will be provided by TojoCAD. Once you have the license code from TojoCAD, put the license code and click on Apply button. Now TojoCAD is successfully configured and licensed with your CAD.